Can you see the PPT?
Yes, sir.
So we have done till where? Sixth one we did. Last class we got the answer. Sixth,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
seventh also. Seventh,
7th से करना.
from 7 we'll do. Okay. Start doing then everyone. Nipun, switch on your video. Nipun, Anurag, do the sum in the class once. Sachin is also here. Huh? So we'll go very slow. Listen, Nipun, I think you are not there in one class. Doesn't matter at all. Wherever you don't understand, you tell me, I'll tell you from the basic. But if you don't understand, no, you'll have a lot of problem in the quiz and in the exam. Okay. So I'll again work out if you tell me. But we'll solve from here.
Actually,
And I'll go
in
very
my notes,
slow. You have done in your notes.
ma'am, in my notes, I have done till the part where you had made us write continuous compounding daily.
Yeah,
I'm over there.
this is related to those sums only. Only you
Okay,
have
so
one
you haven't.
numerical class, I think. That doesn't matter because it was based on those formula. And today also we are going to do some more practice because you have to do so many
Ma'am,
sums within a
we
short
had-
period of time.
Is this the same PPT? Is this the same PPT where we were doing
Yes,
question
yes,
1, 2,
yes.
3,
The
4,
same
and
one.
5, which was based on those formulae of present value of
Right.
perpetuity and all that?
Yes. We'll continue from 7. Aman
Okay,
from
so I
7
have
now.
done till.
Aman will do from 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us do from 7. So you can just tell me what to do. Sachin will tell me. Sachin, tell me 7th question. Can you see the question on the board? You'll just tell me what formula you're going to use. We'll finish 2-3 sums here, then go to the NPV and IRR. This income flow, cash flow will be over. This is today we are doing again, continuing with that financial economics part of it. Tell me, Sachin, what to do? 7th question is, you have to find the present value of a bond that is giving you an interest rate of.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
In the last class, only question 6 was done.
Ma'am, 5. Question 5, ma'am.
Question 5. Do you have a doubt in this?
No, ma'am. Equation 5 यहाँ use होगा, ma'am. इस question में, ma'am, 7 number.
No. What Nipun is telling. Where to start? Question number 5 से start करेंगे.
I was asking last class में सिर्फ question number 6 को आया क्या?
You
Because
just tell
I
me
can
where
see.
to start. 6
See,
से
I
start
have
करेंगे क्या?
solved question. I have solved question number 7. उसका आंसर आ रहा है 4.6.
Question number 7 you have solved.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the answer of this?
I was getting
Ma'am, I think
4.6. A is equal
17,
to 1.
1788.
Yes, 1788 is the answer. Did you get?
I was getting 4.6. So for question 7, I have written A is equal to 1, N is equal to 4, and I is equal to 0.06.
Okay.
I think it was a different PPT.
You see, let me tell you that what you have to calculate here. P value, present value. I'm discussing question number 7.
No, I have calculated F. I have calculated F.
Why? The
Future
question,
value.
question is to compute the present value. Why you have computed F? What is the 7th question?
I don't know. Probably it was a different PPT.
It's question number 7. I'm doing the same PPT. Okay. So this is find the present value of a bond that promises 150 a year for 30 years and 1000 at maturity. This is the system of the bond, you know, that the interest rate is in the form of annuity and then you get the mature redeemable value at the end of the maturity period. So you have to find the P value of that. Shall I do this question, Nipun?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just showing you what to do. Your answer is already, as Sachin said, 1788. Okay. I go slow, try every sum because in the exam many together you have to do and some will be in MCQ pattern, so you will get very less time for that. So
Ma'am, if possible, could I come to your cabin later for whatever the Excel calculations I missed?
what you're telling?
Could I come over to your cabin later for all the Excel calculations which I missed?
Yes, of course. Anytime. You can just tell me, and because I have all other semester classes have started, you just inform me and come. Okay, and this week
Ma'am,
only
I'm
the
getting-
lab has been set. Anana ma'am is going to call you also in the lab. This is for you only. Minor students, their econometrics lab has been created already here. So maybe Ananya ma'am calls you this week.
I'm getting free at 6 p.m. today. Can I come after that?
No, after 6 I'll not be there.
Yeah.
Okay. So you choose a time from 4, anytime 4 to 5, 5:30, 6, I'm there. 4 you come. Okay. So anyhow, let us do
Okay.
this. You're calculating the present value of this. So your 150 is your A, remember. It is getting repeated each year. Okay. So you have to use your fifth formula. P given A, I for it is for 30 years. Okay. Plus you have a maturity value, which is your 1000. And it is maturing in the last year. N is 30. So you have to bring it to year 30. What is the rate of interest? Sachin? 8%. So 1.08 to the power 30 is your answer. This is all that you have to do. If you have done anything other than this, you have done some mistake because it is asking you present value. Even if you have converted to F, okay, change it to P. You need not use exactly this formula. Suppose you have calculated F value for that. Doesn't matter. You have calculated the consolidated F value in the 30th year. Whatever, if you have done it correctly, what you do is simply convert this into using your second formula, P given F once for 30 years. You will see you will get the same answer what we got by this method. Your procedure is, direct procedure is this. You calculate the P of this, P of this. You says that I have calculated the F. Now, if you have calculated the F, then how you would have done? You must have done like this. For this, you must have used F given A, I for 30 years. This is what you have done. If you have calculated F plus for 1000, what you will do? You will not do anything. You'll just add up. This is your F value. If you have done the F of this is what you have done. If you have done, then you are in the 30th year. Simply use your second formula, convert and come. You will get the same answer as this. Your answer will be same. If you have calculated F in a proper way, then you just come back by the second formula, calculate P, you see that you get the same answer. Okay, so we move to the second question. Then question number 8. Can you see the PPT, Aman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what amount an investor would be willing to pay for a 1000 10-year debenture that is paying 75% as the interest half yearly and is sold to yield 18%. Okay, calculate 8th number. What is the maximum amount you will be willing to invest in this scheme? Okay, so before we do, Nipun will tell me. Nipun, tell me what is this 75? Which variable is this? Whenever I'll ask you variable, remember I'm asking you between F, P and F. I'm just asking you whether it is P, F or A. Now 75 is what? Which variable? P, A or F?
I think it is A.
It is A because you are getting 75 interest half yearly. That means every interest period you are getting. 1000 is what variable? Tell me. What you have to find here?
It is P. 1000 is P.
When you will get this 1000? When will you? Are you going to get this 1000 on this debenture?
After-
When are you going to get this 1000?
After like 5 years or so.
After
5 years.
5 years
Because
is
the rate is 8.
nowhere. It is 5 years.
18%,
Why
right?
did you get 5 years? What is the
It
N
was,
here?
the N is 10.
N is 10. So you are going to get 1000 when?
After 10 years, but then
After
it is
10
also
years.
paying off interest. So it would be more than 10,000.
Yes,
It would
yes.
be more than
That is
1,000,
your
right?
debenture scheme. No, your debenture you have two return. One is your interest income, another is the redemption in value. that is when the bond is redeemed at the end of the maturity period, that is another return. You get two return on your debentures or bonds. One is the interest which goes on throughout the maturity value, and then at the last year you get the redemption value. Now you tell me 1000 is what variable then?
It is P.
How it can be P? You are going to get it in the 10th year. So you are looking.
Sorry, so it is F. It is F.
It is your F. What you have to calculate? What you have to calculate?
We have to calculate P.
You have to calculate P. It is asking you if this is the scheme. If you are investing in this scheme, in this bond debenture, then you are going to get 75 as the interest rate each year for 10 years, plus the redemption value in the 10th year. So how much maximum should you invest in this scheme? You have to take out how much maximum should you invest in this scheme if the interest rate is given as 18%. Okay. Only thing you have to remember here is that it is a more than once period compounding, because you are getting the interest half yearly. Okay. Tell me what will be the answer. Aman, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
875. 875.
875.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you get 875? Let us see. What is your answer, Sachin?
I calculate memory.
You have put that multi-period compounding formula, Aman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just let me write. Go slow, but all of you do it once. Okay? Doesn't matter.
Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम इसका बोले प्रेजेंट वैल्यू निकाल देना है, उसके बाद उसको मल्टीपल कंपाउंडिंग में करना है क्या? उसमें मल्टीपल
वैल्यू पहले क्यों निकाल दो? एकदम ही डाल दो. Suppose what is your P? This is your 1 plus I by M to the power M into N minus I. This is the formula you have used, Aman.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, Sachin? It's a multi-period
Ma'am, ये तो
compounding.
future value of an annuity है ना?
Huh? Yes.
This
The
is the
A is
present
here,
value
no?
of an annuity, but
Yes.
we are just finding future value of a present sum, right?
I'm finding the present value of an annuity only. Your annuity is 75 here, and it is a multi-period compounding. Be clear, doesn't matter. See, only in case of multi-period compounding, what you are doing is, whatever your P given a, your fifth formula, you are including this M here everywhere. That's the change. You are including this M here everywhere. Then your A is, in this question, your A is 75. Then you put this formula. You get the P value for that. Plus, this is, I think, 1000 is there. What is the question? 1000 is there at the end of the 10th year. So for that, you have to discount it using the second formula. It is your how much? 18%. And that is you need not do anything, because once you will get it in the last year, so you can directly discount. What is the answer, Aman?
It
You
would be
said
2, right?
Huh?
M's value would be 2, right?
M will be 2 because it is half yearly.
875.
875. Just tell you the answer. All of you do it once, your concept will be clear. Don't be in a hurry. Let me know if I've got the same answer.
मैम जो सेकेंड फॉर्मूला है वो फ्यूचर वैल्यू का है ना?
Second formula means this one. You're talking about this one. Sachin, who asked that? Second formula means which one you're asking? Did you get the answer, everyone?
मैम
Hmm.
मैम जो इसमें जो सेकेंड फॉर्मूला यूज किया गया है वो फ्यूचर वैल्यू का फॉर्मूला है ना?
कौन सा?
1000 by 1 point.
No,
यस मैम ये वाला.
फ्यूचर वैल्यू कैसे हुआ सर? प्रेजेंट हुआ ना? सेकंड फॉर्मूला है ये, देखो जिसमें कि
यस मैम.
you are converting this 1000. 1000 is your F, no? You will get it in the last year. So this is your F.
ओह ओके मैम, ओके मैम.
मैम 690 आ रहा है. हेलो
Ah,
मैम 690 आ रहा है.
690 are you getting?
Yep.
Let us tell you one more answer. You have checked your answer, Aman?
मैम कर रहा हूँ.
कर रहे हो, ठीक है.
मैम ये 1000 में 1.18 क्यों ऐड किया हमने?
1000 you have converted to P because 1000 you will get it once in the last year, and you are taking everything to the 0th year. When you are doing P means you are looking from the 0th year. So first you have converted this 75 each year annual value into P, and F is your 1000 is your F. You are going to get it in the 10th year. So you have also brought it to 0th year. You are bringing out the sum.
मतलब ये जो भी पूरा फॉर्मूला है उसके ऊपर से हमने 1000 अपना 1.18 into 10 किया है.
Yeah, मतलब
अलग से.
your bond is, it gives you interest for the period of the maturity, and at the end whatever the face value of that bond you will get it back. This is the bond payment.
Yeah.
मैम 875 पे है.
875. Okay, we'll check it. देख लोगे फिर, ठीक है? We'll go to the second one. Nipun, can you see the question? Question number 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us solve. How you'll do, tell me. So 9th, it is telling this bank is paying 12% compound interest rate quarterly. If you are putting 1,000 initially in saving account, how much will it grow in 7.5 years? Okay, 7.5 years.
आ गया। 8th वाले क्वेश्चन का आंसर मुझे 882.3 आया।
Yeah, some decimal difference will do. And in this case, what you are going to do is you take 7.5 as the number of years. Then you can solve. Got the answer or what, Aman? You have solved.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
2427.
2,427, correct. Because you assume the year as 7.5, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Or 30 quarters.
Sachin, will you tell me how to do?
इसमें m का वैल्यू 4 होगा ना?
M is 4, correct. M is 4 and you take N to be 7.5. It's 7.5 years, no?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
should be 7.5. And then the same formula, you will do F equal to, you are going to find the future value here. Because you can understand it is asking you the compounded value. So compounded value means the future value. So your 1,000 is what? Which variable is this?
It is p, present value.
Very good. It is P. You are just converting it into F. And it is a multi-period compounding. So it will be 1 plus I is 0.12 by 4 to the power. In the power, you take 4 into 7.5. Because the
इसमें
number,
तो future value of present sum लगेगा।
you are converting this 1,000 into future sum.
Ma'am, could you repeat, ma'am? My network is glitching, ma'am, that time.
Here, did you see this question, Sachin?
Yes, ma'am, I see, ma'am.
Okay. So this bank is giving 12% rate of interest, multi-period compounding quarterly. Okay. So if you are putting 1,000, it is asking you the mature value of that for 7.5 years. So if you do it, I'll just show it on the board. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
So your F is, this is your 1,000 your present value. Then this is a multi-period compounding. So this is 0.124, 4 into you take 7.5. 7.5 years now, you take 7.5. Just solve. Then there is a second question to it. How much will be your mature value if this 1,000 would have been paid by you every year? That means if it would have been an annuity, then what you will do? Simply convert that into annuity. For annuity, what will be your formula? For annuity, your F value will change. Okay. F formula will change. In the second part, it is asking you that if it is annuity, then how will your value change, mature value change?
मैम इसका आंसर 7500 आ रहा है.
इसमें कितना आंसर निकला?
7500.
नो, इसका ये
मैम
दिस आप पुट डायरेक्टली
2427.26.
2427.26. This is the right answer.
कैसे? मैम मैंने भी तो यही किया है 1000 to 1 plus
You have put the
1
same formula, no, Sachin?
Yeah, exactly.
Then this
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
answer. Solve it. This is the answer. And for that second part, you see, it is asking you that if that 1000 instead of P, because you know this is your P value present. If instead of P, it is your A, you're paying this every year. Suppose it is your A, then what will be the mature value you will get? So now you have to put the multi-period compounding formula. So it is A, you have to convert for multi-period compounding. Now what is the answer? Aman, what is the answer now for this?
मैम समझ नहीं आया मैम.
11,371.
12,000.
11,371.
11,300 something.
71.
71.
मैम
Yes, बोलो.
मैम ये समझ नहीं आया मैम. इसमें पहले आप प्रेजेंट वैल्यू का 1000 हो गया, फिर वो फ्यूचर वैल्यू में अमाउंट की जगह 1000. समझ नहीं आया मैम.
अच्छा, this is a multi-period compounding. याद है तो? If compounding
Yes,
is more than once, so it was the direct formula है. Sachin, क्यों confusion है?
मैम ठीक है, मैंने एक
formula
मिस्टेक किया
is-
था मेरे को.
So no, your formula is your F equal to P into 1 plus I by M to the power M into N. This is your formula. हम डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला डाले हैं. This is simply the formula for that.
यस मैम. मैम वो दिक्कत नहीं मैम, क्वेश्चन ठीक से समझ नहीं आया मैम, ये बोल रहे हैं.
क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया.
नो मैम.
क्यों? वो तो it is telling you that you are depositing 1000. 1000 is your present sum. Only thing is, instead of giving you annual interest rate, it is giving you interest rate every quarter. Every quarter मतलब every year 4 times. Yes or no? So if it is
Yes,
7.5 years, 7.5 years, so 7.5 into 4.
यस मैम, इट्स ओके मैम. मैम नेक्स्ट स्टेप मैम, f इक्वल टू a into वाला.
ये वाला multi-period compounding. If it is more than once compounding and it is an annuity, see we have done this formula. So your formula gets changed. It is the same formula. देखो, what is your f given a formula? Your f given a formula is a into, this is your 1 plus I to the power m minus 1 by I. This is your formula for only a. If it is multi-period, you can see I've just included one m term everywhere. See the formula.
ओके 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 मैम.
Understood? Submit to m term आ गया.
ओके.
It's the same formula. If it is more than one, yeah, this is for every per annum interest rate. If it is more than once in a year, then you have to include this number of times compounding is done here.
मैम एक और क्वेश्चन था मैम. मल्टीपल कंपाउंडिंग में मैम आप बताए थे मैम कि रेट ऑफ इफेक्टिव रेट ऑफ रिटर्न भी मैम निकाला जाता है उधर.
ये
वो
इफेक्टिव रेट है. ये इफेक्टिव रेट है. तुम इफेक्टिव रेट ही तो निकाल रहे हो. व्हाट इज योर इफेक्टिव रेट? अरे सचिन क्यों कंफ्यूज हो?
नो मैम इफेक्टिव रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, फॉर्मूला ईआईआर का मैम. वो वाला क्या
है?
हाँ.
दिस इज योर फॉर्मूला. योर इफेक्टिव रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 1 plus I by m to the power your m minus 1. ठीक है.
Yes,
आप
ma'am.
भी
Yes, ma'am.
दिस इज, अगर खाली इंटरेस्ट रेट निकालोगे, सपोज योर I is 12%, उसका EIR कितना होगा? डाल दो इसमें, आ जाएगा. जितना भी आएगा 12 point something you will get, suppose इसमें आया तुम्हारा 1 2 1 3 something you will get, ये
Yes,
परसेंट।
ma'am.
ओके, नाउ ये परसेंट यूज करके तुम एफ एंड पी निकालोगे कि नहीं? जैसे
Oh, yes, ma'am.
आई
Yes.
को यूज करके निकाल रहे थे, अभी इंस्टेड ऑफ आई तुम इसको यूज करोगे, जहां पे यू हैव मोर देन वंस कंपाउंडिंग, तुम्हारा ई आई आर इसको रिप्लेस कर गया और आई नहीं यूज होगा, इंस्टेड ऑफ आई यू आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस ई आई आर, वही 12 की जगह पे अभी क्या यूज करोगे, सपोज दिस इज 12.3 जो भी आया, ठीक है? तो तुम्हारा जो भी
Okay.
फॉर्मूलाज है, हम लोग जितना भी फॉर्मूला यूज किए हैं उसके जगह में आई के जगह में तुम उसको ई आई आर से रिप्लेस कर रहे हो, ई आई आर से रिप्लेस कर रहे हो। तो इन द फॉर्मूला जब तुम व्हेन यू आर डूइंग लाइक दिस, इसका मतलब क्या, तुम वो आई को आर बना दियो, इफेक्टिव रेट बना दियो
Yes.
उसको, इज द
Yes.
सेम
Yes.
फॉर्मूला, खाली व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स कंपाउंडिंग इज डन, तुम आई को कन्वर्ट कर दिए डायरेक्टली इनटू ई आई आर। यू कैन सी एवरी फॉर्मूला
Okay.
इज सेम, खाली नंबर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग घुस गया उसमें।
तो मैम उससे एक स्टेप कम हो जाएगा ना मैम, EIR लगाने पे?
हाँ, खाली
मतलब इस
given to take out only rate of interest, then only तुम you will put that formula which I showed you now, ये वाला डायरेक्ट, ये खाली इंटरेस्ट रेट निकालोगे, लेकिन when you have to find the P and F, उसके लिए तो you will go to that formula ना,
ओके मैम, ओके मैम.
ये कर सकते हो कि इसको निकाल लोगे पूरा, बाकी उसी फॉर्मूला में डालते जाओगे, लेकिन तुम्हें दो स्टेप, इन दैट केस यू हैव टू डू टू टाइम्स, वन इज पहले यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट आई इनटू आर, देन गो ऑन पुटिंग इट इन दैट सेम फॉर्मूला। अभी इसको अगर तुम वही ई आई आर कन्वर्ट करके इसमें करोगे, देन यू डोंट हैव टू पुट दिस एम एंड ऑल दिस, खाली उसको डालो, देखना यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर, ये सब नहीं
ओके
करोगे,
मैम.
ठीक है? पहले कन्वर्ट करके लाओ, बट दैट इज अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस, व्हाई शुड यू डू, ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll go for one more. Khali, you just practice whatever you don't get 2 3 sums after, you'll see it becomes easier because the same formula used everywhere. Now see number 10, we'll do one more sum and go to NPV. This is an easy one and it is a repetition. Without any doubt you do, let me see. Do it, get the answer without any doubt. It is telling that an already issued bond pays 50.
PPT not visible.
It is not visible. Now visible.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, solve this. After that, we'll go to the next NPV IRR will do. So your NPV is also same as what P you are calculating is the same one. So an already issued government bond pays 50 interest rate half yearly. It matures in 7 years. Face value is 1000. Required rate of return is 12%. How much should you invest on this? What is the maximum amount you should invest on this? Put multi-period compounding for your P value. Now quickly you tell me, Sachin, 50 क्या है? कौन सा variable बोलो? 50 is which variable? ये जो interest rate is given 50.
A ma'am. A ma'am.
It is A, very good. Your 50 is A, 7 is N, I is 12%. Okay. So 1000 is what? Nipun, quickly tell me 1000 is what? Face value is 1000 means what variable is that?
It is F.
It is the F because you get this face value at the end. Understood? So do whatever the face value, you are going to get that maturity value at the end of the redemption, at the time of redemption of the bond. So a similar question already you have done. Do it, put multi-period compounding formula for your P given A. Plus you have to add this 1000 converted to P. If you see, it is the same fifth formula. Only thing is, wherever you have the I, wherever there is I, divide it with M. Because you are converting the I into M. So wherever you have I, divide it into M. Divide it by M. Use the same fifth formula. Wherever you have the I in that formula, you are just divide it with the M. What is your M value here?
It is 2.
M is 2, correct. So you have the same fifth formula. Only thing is, you are dividing with M throughout because it is a multi-period compounding. Anurag, you are doing completely silent this word. Are you doing? Are you in the class?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm in the class.
Acha. Do it once in the class. Let it take time. Let it be slow. Whatever they are doing, it's very fine. Slowly jao, doesn't matter, but do it once in the class. And Nipun, about your class, you can come at any time, 3:30 to 6. Any day you can inform and come, okay?
Okay.
Morning have a class, other semesters. And this time you come anytime. If the lab is ready from next week, you do it class here only. Aman, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
970.
900 you got.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, calculation check.
— 900 and 1000 is the face value.
Yes, ma'am.
5,555 में
5555. 5000 you got. P value उससे ज्यादा कैसे होगा?
5
It's a P value.